Hi guys, I'm back here at the Oint Country Homes, and today I decided to enjoy the lounge, the greenhouses that we are providing. As you can see from my cameraman, we have already fitted the windows in this house, and I can already imagine how this room will be feeling once you the owner of this home, joins it and starts enjoying the luxury in it. You can see the lighting is still, the room is very lit. We're enjoying the light from outside. Imagine when you fix the mirrors, when you do all the finishing touches to these walls, when you bring in your art, you put your photos, your family photos over there, more of the arts everywhere around this house. You have a TV over there, so many other things that you want to install in this. I know you have so many other ideas than I do, but I believe you can already feel what I'm saying. This will be a sanctuary for yourself and your family. Now, today we are also lucky to have other things in this house. We are moving very swiftly. We are trying to accomplish our goal, which is finish these houses as soon as possible. These are the show houses. We want to have them up and ready for you to come and see what we intend to accomplish. So I'll take you to a room. You get to see the sanitary ware that we've brought into these homes. Not yet fixed, but already on ground. So come with me. Let's see what we have on in this house for the sanitary ware, so that you see what we say, we deliver. You can see here we have the toilet and the concealed cistern over here. So this will be fixed in the walls, and this will be suspended in the walls also. So whatever I've shown you in the renders, is what you are actually getting. We have all this in the house. Maybe by the end of the month, or maybe in the next 1 month, you will be seeing these things in my videos. So these are the cisterns for the SQs, the toilet and the cistern over there. Then we have the shower heads and that we have all over here. So I'll be actually showing you the actual things. We have the sinks also, you can see. They have been brought to the site. And also, you get to see all these things once they're put up. Now, this is something you need to see. This is an example similar to the jacuzzi. So this is what will be fitted in the villa. So as I've told you earlier, as I've told you previously, these are amazing, luxurious houses that we are bringing to you. And if you have not come to the Oint Country Homes yet, if you have not seen any video in regards to the Oint Country Homes, and you have a specific thing that you'd like to see in these houses, make sure to give me a call or just write it down there at the comment section. I'll answer you. Maybe we can also connect. I'll bring you to the site. You come and see what we have to provide, how far we are, so that you can make your decision in investing in the Oint Country Homes. This is the 7th month, and you can already see the progress that we have made. The doors are almost up. The windows are up. The sanitary ware is here, just under 7 months. So I don't know if you can see the momentum we are moving with. So you out there, and you're looking to invest in the Oint Country Homes, or you're looking for a home and you're not certain where, just come, ask me the questions down there at the comment section. I'll bring you to the site. I'll give you all the information that you need. We come see, make a decision, look at what we have to offer. This is homes from out there in the world brought into Kenya. I mean UK, USA and Canada. What else do you want? This is the best place you can call home. Give me a call on 0726 996 405 to Kuje site. And as we always say at Amara Realty, come for your peace of mind. Thank you.